How to download and install Typing Master for free on your Windows. So if you want to download and install Typing Master for free on your Windows, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, and on your browser, you need to go with search. And here you need to search for Typing Master. Once you've searched, you need to go with www.typingmaster.com, and then you need to go with the free download, which will be right here. You can also scroll down and you will have the advanced speed training for professional typist or Typing Master. You will be able to download the free course or install the 12 version. You will also have the online typing simulator. So if you want to download, you need to go with download, free download, which is right here. And then scroll down again, go with download now, go with the top right, which has that download section. And it says that your download is in progress. Once the download has been finished, the file will be appeared on your upper right corner. If it says unverified download blocked, then you need to click on it and then go with download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. After that, you need to click Typing Master 12 on your upper right to launch the installer. And when prompted, you need to click on yes and allow Typing Master 12 to make changes. And it will be downloaded or it will be installed. So click on it and then click on install for all users or install for only me. In my case, I'll just simply go with only me and then go with the language, click on OK. Go with next, which will be on the bottom. Scroll down and then go with I accept the agreement, and then again go with next. Go with the location, select the location, go with OK, and then go with next again, which will be on the bottom. Go with next again, go with next again, and then go with install, which is the last step. You need to click on install and it will start the installation process. That's how you can download and install Typing Master for free on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.